Welcome. My name is Thomas. I'm here to share in this video passive income opportunities. I make money online. I make money from helping people make money online. I'm in the service-based business industry in general. I make money in several service-based business categories. And I'm an entrepreneur who helps people make money online. That's what I do. And I specialize in work with a new person who suffers the most when it comes to trying to make money online because they don't truly understand what that looks like, what that's going to take, and what they should be doing. And so my goal is to help you get success online by treating your business like a real business, having it set up like you would a brick and mortar business with the paperwork credentials that you would have for a brick and mortar business you want to have for your online business. When it comes to being able to accept debit and credit cards, you want to be able to do that, not cash out. You know what I'm saying? People ain't going to Walmart and all these other reputable brand name stores doing no cash app and Venmos to pay for nothing, because that's not how credible, reputable businesses do business. That's street business you talking about. We talking about being considered a legit, credible brand for yourself, where you need to act like it and look like it. And so the same way you go in the store and make a purchase, you want people to be able to come to you and make a purchase. You know what I'm saying? And so that's ties into your brand, it ties into your credibility, it ties into what you represent in the marketplace when it comes to people taking you seriously. So I have two instant pay opportunities. This one here is an instant pay for $100. It's going to teach you how to make money online. And then I have another instant pay opportunity, which is a $500 investment that's going to teach you the digital marketing landscape, which is going to include everything. And so for the person that's looking to make money online, unless you already got the knowledge and skills and background for digital marketing inside yourself that you're going to use each and every day and go out and build your brand and build your business and build awareness and build know, like, and trust, so people can find you credible, so people can decide to do business with you. If you already got that skill set, then this video is not for you. Keep it moving. This here video is for the brand new person, the inexperienced person, the person that's been online for years, jumping from opportunity to opportunity to opportunity, who haven't made a dime because they haven't stayed anywhere long enough to. And so that's the biggest problem with people who've been online for years who never made any money, is that they hopping from one shiny object to the next, to the next, to the next. You got to buckle down, get all in, stay focused on one opportunity first, make that work. Start to make money from that. Start to get results in your business from those things that you've learned before you start jumping for another opportunity, another opportunity, another opportunity. And then we got bad opportunities out here where the only opportunity to make money is from the opportunity to make money. The opportunity itself has no real value in itself. You want to stay away from those as well. So my goal is to make sure you get some type of success for yourself, because as you succeed, I succeed. It speaks to my character. It speaks to what I'm about. It speaks to my brand. It speaks to what I'm trying to do in the marketplace when it comes to helping a new person get started in the right way. And yeah, you see me on here a lot talking about my mentorship and coaching program, because that's an area of expertise that I'm good at. I've been doing that for 22 years, 16 years business owner. So that's one area of expertise that I work with people who want to get started in that area. My specialty in general is work with a new entrepreneur who's clueless, who don't know really what to do, who need to know the next steps, who need a realistic approach to what it's going to take to be successful online, and give it to you in a way that's going to let you know that this is not a game. This is not nothing to take it lightly. The money and time you invested from jumping from one opportunity to the next, to the next, to the next, you could have saved that money, spent it or invested in something more worthy, and just buckled down and took the necessary actions you need to take to get the success you say you want to have. And so my job, my goal, my desire, my mission is to help the new person get started with making money online. And that can be from the service-based business industry. That can be from a retail point of view. I don't care what it is. My goal is to help you make money online by educating you first on what you're not doing right, and let you know these are things you need to course correct and start doing and that this is a long-term game, not a short-term game. So the success you want to have won't happen overnight. So you got to set your mind to already know this is a long-term endeavor. This is a long-term mission. This is a long-term journey we own. But in the end, it's going to be worth it because you're going to be working towards something. The reason why you're doing what you're doing must have a purpose and a reason that's bigger than you. It can't be simply for the fact that you broke, because there's a whole lot of broke folks in your situation, so being broke ain't good enough. Your reason and your why must be big enough and powerful enough to get you out of bed each and every day. It's got to be big enough and powerful enough because life going to show up to test you to see what you made of. And during those times, if you ain't got what it takes, you're going to give up anyway. You're not going to do the things you need to do no way. So that's why the reason for you coming online to make money got to be something bigger and more powerful than just the fact you broke. It got to be. And you got to be able to tap into that and internalize that and use that each and every day. That's going to cause you to show up online to let people know why you're here, why you're doing what you're doing, what you're about, that you're a real person, you're true, you're authentic. These are things you're going to get to learn and hear because there's not a lot of people talking about these things online. They just not. There's a designated group of people that may be talking about it, but you ain't in that circle because you ain't making no money. And so you don't have access to those people no way. So we trying to give you access to the real deal. But all you got to do is implement it, stay true to it. Because you're going to have some guidance. You're going to have some information that you're going to be able to take, look at, analyze, implement to get a result from it that you can use to position yourself to make money right away. And so it's all about you taking action on this video. It's all about you taking action on what I'm talking about. It's all about you taking action and believing that you can be successful online. But your biggest problem is you. You got people who won't invest in themselves. You got people who looking for the free way out, which is the no way out. It doesn't exist. You're not going to free your way to success. You're going to invest your way to success because anything less than that won't happen for you. Because see, what you don't know, if you're not willing to invest in what you don't know, you'll never know it. Ain't nobody going to just give it to you for free. You ain't going to be able to hang around nobody and peep game long enough to understand what they're talking about for free. So you got to be willing to invest in you to get the type of life and lifestyle you say you want. If you're not willing to do that, if you got a job, keep it. Do some overtime. Work a second one if you got to. But everybody who tried to come online and start a business to make money just have no business doing it. They ain't qualified. They don't have the right mindset in the first place. And that's where it starts at, right up in here. You already lost right up in here. But the quicker you realize you lost up in here first and you're willing to do something about it, you're halfway home. If you never get to understand that up here is where your problem is and you're not willing to do anything about it because you can't understand you got a problem in the first place that starts up here, then there's nothing I can do to help you. I don't care how great I think I am. I don't care how great anybody who out here trying to help you get started think they are. There's nothing they can do for you if you don't understand first that your problem centers in your mind. It centers on the way you think, the way you see yourself, the way you see others. That blocks you from taking the next action that you need to take by investing in you through digital marketing and education is the key component that's going to help you get the success you don't have because you don't have the information anyway. You know, jumping from one opportunity to one opportunity that's just a symptom of the problem. The symptom of the problem is, the main problem is your mind. Straighten your mind out, get focused, find an opportunity that you believe in, you're passionate about, you can stand by and talk about and be about each and every day. It's going to be the key. And you keep it moving each and every day to make that happen. So this opportunity, inside this video, I'm going to have 3 links. One, you can join my email list. That same link is Digital Zone Academy. It has my $500 master resale rights opportunity that's going to teach you all things digital marketing from ground up. This here is $100 It'll do the same. I'm doing a special right now just for 3 days. If you invest in a $500 one-time investment, you'll get this one for free, which means you'll get both of them for the one-time price of $500. So once you invest in the $500 Master Resale Rights digital education training platform and course, and I'll send you over access to the $100 instant pay opportunity as well. And if you want to learn more, 773-782-1320. I'm a real person. We can jump on a Zoom call. You can get a better feel for me. There's so much stuff going online that I got to go the extra mile, the extra length to let people know that I'm true about what I do. I'm real about what I do. I'm sincere about what I do. And I do it for you because you're the new person that's at a disadvantage in the first place. You're the new person that don't have a clue on what's happening out here in the first place. And you've been misused and abused by people who already know this. And so I'm your first defense against, hey, stop that. I'm here to speak out for you. I'm here to represent you. I'm here to let you know that you got somebody on your team in your corner who wants you to truly succeed for all the right reasons. Thank you for watching this video. Please share it with others. Leave a comment. I'll see you in my next one.